Okay, we're just finishing putting tires back, and we busted off a nut and a stud. Now we're taking a tire apart again. Now I'll continue later. See, go down here. There's the one that's busted. Okay, there's the busted stud, and then we have to take all this brake stuff off. That's the first, and then the outer part. Take the rotor off. Okay, we're going to hammer this out. Now you got to position this so it can be pushed out. Some places on here, you just turn it to where you figure it can be pushed out. And in here there'll be a spline, and just go to the part store and get another one with the nut. Yeah, whenever you're ready, do it.
That's it. Easy as that.
Okay, there's the stud. Now the problem we have is the only place it's going to fit at the back is here, and this little wing here. So what we're going to do is bend it so we can try to get the stud behind it. See, it's when you push it in this way, it's kind of close here. So yeah, we'll try that. We'll try bending this. Breaking it off, either one.